Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to mock superclass methods in JUnit using Mockito. This is super useful when you want to test a child class without executing the actual logic of its parent class. Check out this link for more information. Here's the scenario: we have a parent class with a display method, and a child class that calls this method inside its own show method. But during testing, we don't want the real display to run. Please check out the code snippet given. Since display returns nothing, we'll use Mockito.doNothing to mock it. This way, the parent's method won't actually run. If the superclass method returns a value, we can use when.then return to control the output. So remember, use spy for partial mocks. Use doNothing for void methods. Use when.then return for return values. That's it for mocking superclass methods in JUnit with Mockito. Thanks for watching, and happy testing.